bullish narrative is that this is a new big on-ramp to crypto, which is going to attract a lot more investors, and ultimately that's going to push the price up. The sell the news camp says this was by far the best performing asset class in the world last year. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount to NAV, which is our sort of proxy for sentiment, has gone from 45% discount to zero. That just tells us there's an awful lot already baked into the price. It's going to do three things. I think people that already own crypto may decide to sell the way they own it today, whether it's the futures, whether it's the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, whatever it may be, and switch to the ETF because it's just easier and cheaper. So I think that's one. Two, the retail investors that don't own crypto today may well be getting a call from their financial advisor saying, now we have this new product, it's easier, it's cheaper, maybe you consider a small allocation. I don't think that's going to be the big sort of game changer. It's already an asset class which is very, very well owned by retail investors. But I'd also think you're going to see institutional investors start to nibble at this sort of new, easier on-ramp to crypto. So I think those are the sort of three impacts. The end result, I think, will be just more people owning crypto than they do today.
The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by SEC, of course, gives way to solving a lot of regulatory challenges that were existing with the crypto ecosystem. And the big question to ask now is that how will the Indian regulatory authorities take this up? Keeping in mind the FSB IMF synthesis paper that was prepared during the G20 summit, also taken forward to Marrakesh. Will that be reconsidered, keeping in mind that now Nasdaq will be going ahead with the crypto listing? It definitely gives a big boost to a lot of Indian consumers and investors who are interested to invest in virtual digital assets. Karishma, Asoodani for Business Today Television.